It's Christmas and Gavin's coming down to see his presents.
You see what Santa brought you?
Yeah.
What is that?
No.
What did Santa Claus bring you, bud?
What is that?
No.
What is all that?
No.
Is that all for Gavin?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Santa Claus? You still waking up?
What's that? What's that?
Can you say thank you?
It says cold.
Gavin, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Should we see what else Santa brought you?
Oh my God.
All right, let's open the rest of your presents.